Good morning, student. In previous classes, we revised the 8 standard chapters which are related to ninth. The 6 chapters which are related to ninth standard. Now, from tomorrow, we have to start the actual syllabus of ninth standard. So, first of all, I will introduce all the things related to ninth standard. In ninth standard, maths is divided in two parts. The first part is maths 1 and second part is maths 2. It is also called as algebra and geometry. For 9th and 10th, the algebra carries 50 marks and geometry carries 50 marks. Out of that 50, 40 marks for theory paper and 10 marks for internal, that is practical and assignment. So today we start the first chapter of geometry, and that chapter is basic concept in geometry. In geometry, total 9 chapters are there. For first sem, total 4 chapters we have to complete, and for second sem, and total 5 chapters we have to complete. So the first chapter, that is basic concept in geometry, this is for first term. So what are the basic concept in geometry? First of all, we already learn some basic concept in standard 6th. Basic concept in geometry in standard 6th. Now in 9th standard also we have to learn some basic concept. So first basic concept is point. In geometry, first basic concept is point. Second concept is line, then line segment, okay, then plane, and after that the different figures are there. Now first, what is point? Point is undefinable term in geometry. Point only have the position, place, but it doesn't have any dimensions. Similarly, line, the set of points which are extended both sides indefinitely is called as line. Okay, these are the basic concept: point, line, plane. Okay, so again we can say that parallel lines, intersecting lines. Okay, so now in basic concept in geometry, first is point, second is line, and plane. If you know all these concepts, then you can solve the exercise 1.1. okay, now one more thing is there. Here we have to know that the concept of numbers, concept of coordinates on a number line. We already know the number line. What is the number line? How you represent the numbers on number line? Okay, what are the coordinates? What is the graph of the coordinate? Okay, all these things we already learn in 6th and 7th. Now I will explain the number line and the coordinates related to the point, and how you find out the distance between two coordinates or two points. Okay, the basic concept in geometry. So first you have to learn the number line. Here one number line is given here. See the number line. In this number line, the points are given Q, P, K, J, H, O, A, B, C, D, E. These are the points, and the coordinate related to point is given. That the point E has having coordinate 5, point D is having coordinate 4 here, and coordinate C is having point C is having coordinate 3, point B is having coordinate 2, point A is having coordinate 1, point O is having coordinate 0, point H is having coordinate -1, and J is having coordinate -2, K is having coordinate -3, P is having coordinate -4, Q is having coordinate -5. Okay, each point having their coordinates. Okay, so in this way you can represent the rational numbers, irrational number on the number line. You already learn in 8th standard how to represent the rational and irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, now in 9th standard you have to find out the distance between 2 points, the distance between any 2 points on the number line. If a number line is given and the points are given, then you have to find out the distance between the points on the number line. Okay, here the exercise 1.1, first exercise, that is exercise 1.1, and the first question is given there. The first question is find the distance with the help of the number line given below. So you have to find out the distance between 2 points which are given in the number line. Here number line is already given here. So first you have to find out the distance BE. B is one of the point and E is one of the point. Now how to find out the distance between these 2 points? So when we want to find out the distance between any 2 point, then the formula is distance between the 2 point is equal to the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. This is the formula. Write down the formula. The distance between any 2 point is equal to the greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. The point having greater coordinate minus the point having smaller coordinate. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, distance between any 2 point is equal to the greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. So first you have to write down the coordinate of the point given here. Here B and E is the point. So first how to solve it? See, coordinate of point B is 2 and the coordinate of the point E is 5. Which is the greater? Greater is 5, means the coordinate of E is greater. So since 5 is greater than 2, so therefore distance BE is equal to, see here, if 5 is greater, here 5 is greater than 2, therefore you can write that distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So therefore the distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So distance BE is 3. If unit is given, you can write the unit, but here unit is not given, so you can write only 3. The distance BE is 3 unit. Okay, so now next, this is first. Second, you have to find out the distance JA. Distance JA. See, coordinate of the point J is given there, -2, and the coordinate of point A is 1. Here the coordinate of J, see there, the coordinate of J is -2 and the coordinate of A is 1. So which is the greater? 1 is the greater, because that is -2. minus 2 is smaller than plus 1. So since 1 is greater than minus 2, therefore distance JA is equal to 1 minus minus 2. Okay, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Here smaller coordinate is minus 2. So you have to write down that minus 2 in bracket. So therefore distance JA is equal to 1 minus minus plus 2. 1 plus 2. Therefore distance JA is equal to 3. Distance JA is equal to 3 unit. Right? In this way you can find out the distance JA. The distance between point J and A is 3. Okay. Now the third question, that is coordinate of the point P is minus 4. It is given. Coordinate of point P is minus 4 and coordinate of C is 3. So which is greater? Here 3 is greater, minus 4 is smaller. So since 3 is greater than minus 4, okay, so distance PC is equal to 3 minus minus 4. So it is 3 plus 4, means distance PC is equal to 7. Distance PC is equal to 7 unit. Right? So now question number 4. Here question number 4, see, the coordinate of the point J is minus 2 and the coordinate of the point H is minus 1. Which is the greater? Minus 1 is the greater. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Since minus 1 is greater than minus 2, therefore distance JH is equal to minus 1 minus minus 2. Minus 1 minus minus 2 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, here see, here JH is equal to minus 1 minus minus 2. It is minus 1 plus 2. Therefore the distance JH is equal to 1. The distance JH is equal to 1. Okay, right? So and last fifth question, that is coordinate of K is minus 3. Coordinate of K is minus 3. See, coordinate of K is minus 3. Coordinate of K is minus 3 and coordinate of O is 0. Since 0 is greater than minus 3, 0 is greater than minus 3, therefore distance KO is equal to 0 minus minus 3. That is 0 plus 3. Means distance KO is equal to 3. Distance KO is equal to 3. This is the distance between K and O. Now one more question is there, sixth question. Coordinate of point O is 0. It is given. And coordinate of point E is 5. Okay. 5 is greater than 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, the distance OE is equal to 5 minus 0. Therefore the distance OE is equal to 5. Distance OE is equal to 5. In this way you can find out the distance between any 2 points if coordinates are given. Right? So now next. Next is question number 7. The coordinate of point P is minus 4. Here the coordinate of point P is minus 4 and the coordinate of point J is minus 2. Since minus 2 is greater than minus 4, distance PJ is equal to minus 2 minus minus 4. That is minus 2 plus 4. So distance PJ is equal to 2. Distance PJ is equal to 2. In this way you can find out the distance PJ. Okay. Now question number 8. Here in question number 8, the coordinate of the point Q is -5. The coordinate of Q is -5, right? And the coordinate of the point B is 2. So therefore 2 is greater than -5. Therefore distance QB is equal to 2 minus -5. That is 2 plus 5. Therefore distance QB is equal to 7. Distance QB is equal to 7. Okay. So you get it now. The first question we completed now. Okay. All 8 questions we already completed. How to find out the distance between 2 points if you know the coordinates. Okay. Formula is distance between any 2 points is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Okay, you have to use this formula and find out the distance between any 2 points. Okay, so now next is question number 2. Now what is question number 2? Here, if the coordinate of A is x and the coordinate of B is y, find distance AB. Okay, here only the names are given. A is x and B is y. The coordinates are given in x and y, and points are A and B. So you have to find out the distance. Same thing is there. Only the coordinates are given here as a x and y, and you have to find out the distance AB. Okay. So here first question is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Two coordinates are given. One coordinate is x and other coordinate is y. So you have to find out the distance AB. Means here 2 points are A is having x coordinate and B is having y coordinate. So distance AB, the distance AB you have to find out. Okay, I will explain the first question. Here coordinate of point A is x is equal to 1, it is given, and coordinate of point B y is equal to 7. Here only A coordinate having the A point having the coordinate 1 and B point having the coordinate 7. So you have to find out the distance AB. Since 7 is greater than 1, therefore the distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1. Similarly, the distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay, the distance is 6. The distance AB is 6. Right? So you can solve the second question same way. First is, see, coordinate of point A is x, that is given 6. Okay, that is 6 now. Coordinate of A, it is 6. See here, A is 6 and coordinate of point B is 2. Coordinate of point B is 2. So you have to find out the distance AB. Since 6 is greater than minus 2, 6 is greater than minus 2, therefore you can say that distance AB is equal to 6 minus minus 2. 6 minus minus 2, it means 6 plus 2. So distance AB is equal to 8. Okay. So distance AB is equal to 8. Similarly, you can solve question number 3, question number 4. Okay. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 questions are there. So you have to solve these questions. Okay. Using the same formula. I already solved the 2 questions. So you have to solve all 6 questions. Okay. One more question I will solve. Coordinate of third question. Coordinate of point A is x, that is minus 3, and coordinate of point B y, that is 7. Since 7 is greater than minus 3, okay, therefore distance AB is equal to 7 minus minus 3. 7 minus minus 3, it is 7 plus 3. Therefore distance AB is equal to 10. Distance AB is equal to 10. Okay. You get it? Okay, 2 question we already clear. First question and second question. In second question I already solved 3 questions, sub questions, and you have to solve the remaining sub questions. Okay, so, and if you want to get the detailed solution, one more video is there on my channel. You can see that video also. The same explanation is there. 1.1 exercise 1.1 is explained there also. So you want to clear all the doubts again, you can go that video. Okay, go through that video which is on my channel. Okay, so we will stop here. In next lecture we continue the second question, third question. Thank you.